Hey guys and girls, well here I am with a 3-month update of the Jon Renau Remy Human Hair Wig Kim. Take a good look at Kim. I have not done anything with her to style her for this video. And one reason I did not is because I wanted to show you what she looks like when you don't maintain her properly. What I mean by that is, I've worn her over the course of 3 months and I learned something about myself. I'm lazy. Kim, because she is Remy Human Hair, does require some regular maintenance, such as the use of the Argan Smooth Treatment Mist. Now Jon Renau makes this, and this treatment mist is actually a hair oil that conditions and strengthens the human hair wig or topper, and it also adds shine and suppleness. I haven't done that. And as you can see, when you don't add the oil and condition the hair properly, it starts to look not the best. It also doesn't feel the best. It's very dry. It's not that the wig itself has decreased in quality. It's you have not conditioned and maintained it like you're supposed to. So very, very important. After you wash your human hair wig, you should definitely use the Jon Renau Blown Away Blow Dry Balm. This conditions the wig as well, and you leave this in. Put it in after the hair has been washed so the hair is damp. You put this in, you blow dry, and then you can layer the other products on top of the blow dry balm. This helps to keep the hair highly conditioned as well. Jon Renau also has a product called Boho Beach Mist, which is used on dry human hair, and you can use it on your wigs and toppers. Not only does this product condition the hair, but it adds texture, and it also revitalizes the human hair's natural wave or curl pattern if you like to wear it that way. What I love about the Jon Renau Human Hair Wig Care products is that they're sulfite, paraben, and sodium chloride free, so they're very high quality. They will protect the integrity of your human hair wig or topper. I have not washed this wig in a couple of weeks. Right now it has the Jon Renau Versatile 3-Way Hairspray still on it from when I styled it a week or so ago. Now I'm going to show you how I wash this beautiful wig. The first step you want to do is use a paddle brush to make sure that all of the tangles are out of the hair. Next, you'll use cool water to wet the wig. Now be very gentle. You'll want to use the Jon Renau Easy Hair Argan Smooth Luxury Shampoo for human hair wigs. You'll apply the shampoo from the top of the wig to the ends and gently lather. Now make sure that hair is traveling in the same direction. Do not rub or twist. This can cause the human hair to tangle. And one thing we do not want is tangling. You'll want to rinse thoroughly under cool water until the water runs clear. Next, you'll apply the Jon Renau Easy Hair Argan Smooth Luxury Conditioner. When you apply this, avoid the wig cap. Avoid the base of the wig. If this conditioner gets on the knots, it could weaken them. So you'll want to start at the mid-length, just at the bottom of the nape of the wig cap, and gently apply it to the length and to the ends. If you have shorter fringe in the front, again, don't apply it to the base or the lace. Just apply it to the actual hair itself down to the ends. Work the conditioner through the length and the ends for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll want to rinse again under cool water until the water runs clear. If you do not rub, twist, or wring the hair, you'll end up with little to no tangles at the end of the wash. I am going to towel dry the hair by just wrapping it in a towel and patting it dry gently. I am fortunate that my guest room full bath has this soap holder on the shower caddy. This works great for wrapping the wig cap around it and allowing the cap and the wig to dry very well right in the shower. So Kim will hang here to dry. I put the Blown Away Blow Dry Balm on Kim while she was damp, and I partially blow dried her. I didn't want to blow dry her out all of the way because I wanted you to see the beautiful natural waves of this Remy human hair. So take a look. You could wear it just like this. It's so gorgeous. I really love the beachy waves that take no effort at all. You just wash the wig or wet it, and you have these gorgeous beachy waves. Ooh, I love it. I'm very pleased with this wig. The color has held up very well. There's been no color loss, no discoloration of the color. The root color is still true to what it was when I first received the wig. And this is all despite hair washing, hairstyling, product use, so this is wonderful. The cap has held up well. It hasn't stretched out. It fits me perfectly. It's still comfortable. I've had no problems with this hand-tied cap. If you're interested in purchasing Kim, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. They carry Kim in all of the beautiful Jon Renau colors, including the California Blonde collection. They have great customer service and free shipping. If you have questions about Kim or the color or anything about care and styling, I'm more than happy to help. Leave your questions or comments in the comments section below. Now, if you wear Kim, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please share with us your thoughts on the quality and any care and styling tips. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned, as the first week of September, I will publish the 6-month update and review of this Kim wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my 3-month update video about Kim. Take care. Bye-bye.